Hi there, little explorers. Welcome to Exploring Nature's Miniature Worlds. Today, we're diving into the magical ecosystems right in our backyards. Start by collecting leaves, twigs, and small rocks. Now, let's create our mini ecosystem in a jar. Gently layer your leaves, add some soil, and top it off with tiny stones. Don't forget to sprinkle in a little water. Can you see the tiny critters around? Watch as nature's little helpers take over your jar. Remember, every part of this ecosystem has a special job to do. Just like you. Now let's hum along to some cheerful nature sounds while we watch it grow.